Okay, this is question number 3 from the Pearson 9.3 assignment. We have another radical here that we're dealing with. We have 6 times the square root of 16. Now, in this case, you might end up lucking out with some problems because if you notice for this one, and you might not have, you might think of this 16, you might think of that as 2 times 8, and you can go about your business. But you might also think of it as 4 times 4, okay? Now, 4 is not a prime number, okay? But what we can do as a little bit of a shortcut here is you can actually treat this as 4 times 4 on the inside. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is, remember, we can take stuff from underneath the square root if it has a pair. So since this is a pair of 4s, we're just going to move it out front, and we'll multiply that with the 6. Now, that means these 4s inside the square root are going to cancel, which actually means the square root itself cancels altogether. And all you're left with is 4 times 6, which actually is going to give you your final answer of 24 here. Now, if you wouldn't have thought of 4 times 4 there, you still could have broken this all the way down to be 2 times 2, 2 and 2, and you would have had 4 prime numbers right here. Now, guys, just to understand something here. You can rewrite the square root of 16 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Just remember that when it comes to getting stuff from out from the square root symbol, you take them out in pairs. So not only are you going to take 1 2 out, but you're going to take another one as well. So that means that this is going to be rewritten as 6 times 2 times 2, which still equals 24. And I'll conclude this question of your assignment. If you have any questions over the rest of the problems, make sure you watch the videos. If you have any more questions over this one, send me an email.